Hello, moneymakers. I know not all of us are interested in wars and military stuff, but let's be honest. The moment something explodes on the world stage, conflicts, wars, drama, people can't look away. Human nature, right? Whether it's a fight on the street or a standoff between countries, we're wired to pay attention. Take the Russia-Ukraine war or the Israel-Gaza conflict. Videos on these topics are everywhere, and they're pulling in millions of views. Why? Because people are curious, concerned, and craving updates. That's exactly why channels like The Military Show started blowing up. In just 3 years, they've gained 1.5 million subscribers. Some of their videos? 3 to 5 million views easily. And guess what? These long-form videos earn up to $5 per 1,000 views through AdSense alone. Now throw in sponsorships, affiliate links, and brand deals. They're easily raking in over $3,000 a month, maybe more. That's not just pocket money, that's replace your job money. We all work hard. But ask yourself, what if you saved just a few hours each week to build a channel like this? Once you hit monetization and start earning even 50% of your current income, you could consider going full-time. And when you go full-time, that's when things explode. More videos, more views, more revenue. And hey, if you've got extra time and ambition, feel free to binge my other niche breakdowns on this channel. Start a second channel, or a third. That's how you build real digital income streams. I'm not just saying this to hype you up. I live this. I run over 10 channels, and in just 1 year, we're already pushing 50,000 subscribers. So from one moneymaker to another, this works. If you want me to personally guide you, yes, hand-holding and all, check out AI Maskman Academy. Links in the description. Let's build your channel together. Now in today's video, I'll show you step-by-step how to find trending war-related topics, write engaging scripts, generate voiceovers using AI, and most importantly, how to edit like a pro, even if you've never edited before. By the end, you'll have everything you need to launch a powerful channel from scratch. So grab your coffee, settle in, and watch till the end. Let's get started. Step 1. Finding topics. In this niche, you don't stick to just one topic. You create videos based on current global events and situations. For example, if there's a war happening, like between Russia and Ukraine, or issues between Palestine and Israel, you should make videos about those events. Basically, whatever is happening right now between countries, that's what your videos should cover. And during these situations, your chances of going viral increase because people are curious and want to know what's going on. If you make more videos on such trending topics, more of them can perform well. That's how you find topics. If you're still confused, no worries. We'll break it down further. So, to find good topics, you should start by checking your competitors' YouTube channels. Channels like The Military Show, The Infographics Show, The Operations Room, and many others regularly post trending content. You can get topic ideas by seeing what kind of videos they're making, and then make similar ones yourself. Another great source is Reddit. Reddit gives regular updates about current events. Here's what you can do. Go to Reddit and search for r/military. You'll find news headlines and discussions related to military events. Also check r/geopolitics. This is one of the best subreddits for finding current global topics that you can turn into videos. Apart from Reddit, you can also use news websites like defensenews.com, military.com, and many others that regularly post updates. These are the main sources you can use to find fresh and trending topics for your videos. Lastly, you can even use ChatGPT to research your topic. Let me explain how to do that next. When you use ChatGPT, don't just type random prompts. You need to explain things clearly so it can give you accurate results. Here's how to do it. First, copy the link of a YouTube channel you want to create content like. Then go to ChatGPT and type, "I'm planning to start a channel like this," and paste the channel link after that. Ask, "Can you help me with it?" ChatGPT will then understand the whole niche, what kind of videos the channel makes, and what your channel should focus on. Next, go to the Telegram channel link I've mentioned in the video description. From there, open the Google Doc I've shared. In that doc, copy the first prompt I've written for you. I've even included example topics inside that prompt, so ChatGPT clearly understands the type of current event topics we want. Alright, now let's go ahead and paste that into ChatGPT. Alright, now ChatGPT has given us a few topic ideas. You can either pick one of those or modify them based on what works for you. Just to show you the process, I'm going to pick this topic as an example. Russia rejects US ceasefire proposal. Let's create a video on this. Once you've chosen your topic, the next step is to start gathering information. You can read articles, watch YouTube videos, or check news channels to collect facts, especially if you want to write the script yourself. But if you want help, as always, ChatGPT is here for you. Just go back to my Google Doc, and this time, copy the second prompt from it. Now, just put your topic into the prompt and give it to ChatGPT. ChatGPT will do all the research for you and give you a ready-to-use script. Once you get the script, read it carefully and understand it. Wherever you feel like adding your own words or improving something, do it. Don't just copy-paste the script directly. Add a bit of your own touch. It makes the video feel more original. For example, at the beginning, you can add your own hook, a powerful opening line to grab attention. To learn how to create hooks, just watch other creators' videos, see how they start, and then write your own in your style. This way, you'll have a perfect script ready for your video. And if you ever feel like this is too much work, no worries. Me and my team can do it all for you. If you have a budget and want to outsource the work, we've got you covered. If you want me and my team to handle everything for you, just book a call using the link given in the description below. You'll find all the details there. The same team that helped grow the Maskman channel from 0 to 50,000 subscribers will now work on your channel too. Alright, now let's move on to step 3. Voiceover. If you have a good voice and you're confident enough to use your own voice in the video, then go for it. There's really no better option than this. But let's say you're not fully comfortable using your own voice, yet you still want to add a real-sounding voice to your videos. Well, I've got an amazing tool for you. It creates voices that sound just like real humans. And the best part? When you sign up, you get 10,000 free credits to use. Sounds awesome, right? I'm talking about Hume AI. This tool gives you a bunch of features to generate natural-sounding voiceovers. Here's how to get started. Sign into your account. You'll instantly get 10,000 free credits. On the dashboard, you'll see a few featured voices you can try out. Now, here's something really cool. If you use the Express Measurement feature, it will turn on your camera and analyze your facial expressions, vocal bursts, and speech rhythm in real time to match the voice to your emotions. You can even see your expression data on the side while it generates the voice. Pretty amazing, right? Alright, now to generate the voice, go to the text-to-speech section in Hume AI. Then, select a voice you like. If you want, you can even create a unique voice by giving a prompt that matches the tone of your script. Just write a short description, and Hume AI will give you 3 sample voices based on that. Let's listen to the samples.
Hey there. I know things feel a bit overwhelming right now, but take a deep breath. You're doing better than you think, and it's okay to take things one step at a time.
Hey there. I know things feel a bit overwhelming right now, but take a deep breath. You're doing better than you think, and it's okay to take things one step at a time.
Hey there. I know things feel a bit overwhelming right now, but take a deep breath. You're doing better than you think, and it's okay to take things one step at a time.
They sound very natural, right? Now just choose the one you like and save it. For this example, I'll pick a voice directly from the voice library. I'm choosing the male protagonist voice. Now simply paste your script and click Generate. In just a few minutes, your voiceover will be ready. Listen to it.
The US offered peace. Russia answered with fire. In less than 24 hours, the dream of a ceasefire turned into a nightmare of missile trails, troop surges, and blood-soaked soil. For weeks, whispers of a diplomatic breakthrough echoed through Washington and Kyiv. A bold ceasefire proposal, backed by NATO allies, was delivered to the Kremlin. Its terms? Immediate cessation of hostilities, establishment of humanitarian corridors, and withdrawal of Russian heavy artillery from the Eastern Front.
And once you're happy with it, download it to your computer. So that's how you can easily create a realistic AI voiceover. Now we have the script and the voiceover. It's time to move on to the next step, creating the video. To do that, we need some material, like videos and images related to the war. You can find many such clips on different social media platforms, but make sure to use them wisely and within YouTube's fair use policy. You can also ask ChatGPT to suggest visuals or clips that match your script. You can find video clips from different platforms. But along with that, you can also add stock footage from free sites like Pexels and Pixabay. If you have a budget, you can also use paid platforms like Storyblocks or Envato Elements for higher quality clips. Don't forget to collect some images from Google that are related to the event you're covering. But if real images or videos are not available, no worries. You can also create AI-generated images to make your video more realistic. Just ask ChatGPT to give you a prompt for the scene you want to create. ChatGPT will generate a prompt. You can copy it and use any free image generator to create visuals. For example, I've created mine using a diagram, but you can use any tool you like, whatever works best for you. So that's how you gather all the materials for your video. But wait, I know a lot of people love my content and have even built successful YouTube channels just by following my guidance. And if you want personal coaching from me, you can join my school community, where we have weekly calls and you'll get full access to all my courses. The link is in the description. All right, now let's move on to the final step. Step 5. Editing. For editing, I'll be using CapCut AI, but you can use any tool you're comfortable with. First, open CapCut and upload all your materials, your voiceover, videos, images, and anything else you want to use. Now, the first thing to do is add the voiceover to the timeline. Then, increase the volume so it's clear and easy to hear.
The US asked for peace. Russia answered with bombs.
Next, at the beginning of the video, I'll add a bomb explosion clip to make the intro more engaging and dramatic. I'll also add an explosion sound effect at that moment. If you're using any clip from social media, make sure to turn off its original sound to avoid background noise or copyright issues. Now I'll continue by adding one image, then one video clip, and also some stock footage in certain parts of the video. Keep following this pattern: image, clip, stock footage, until your entire voiceover is covered. Next, go to the text template section in CapCut. Choose a template and start adding text to your video. Wherever it makes sense, like during key moments or important dialogues, add text to make the video more engaging and easier to follow. Finally, add transitions between all the clips and images to make the flow smooth and professional. Here, you'll find lots of options to enhance your video. You can also try adding some cool effects. For example, I'm going to use the black noise effect throughout the entire video. It adds a dramatic touch. You can also add animations to your images to make them more dynamic and engaging. Next, add some background music, but make sure to lower the volume so it doesn't overpower your voiceover. Finally, generate subtitles for your video. Choose a simple subtitle style from the available templates. It helps keep your video clean and easy to watch. And that's it. Your video is ready. So this is how you can create a military news video in just a few simple steps. Keep posting regularly, and YouTube will start working its magic. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you want to learn complete YouTube automation with AI, you can join my school community. The link is in the description below. Now, let's check out our demo video.
The US asked for peace. Russia answered with bombs. In less than 24 hours, hopes of a ceasefire turned into explosions, tanks on the move, and more bloodshed. For weeks, people talked about a possible peace deal. The US, along with NATO, sent a proposal to Russia. It asked both sides to stop fighting, help civilians escape safely, and pull back Russian heavy weapons. The world waited, but Russia didn't even consider it. Instead, the Russian government called it a Western trap, and just hours later, they launched their biggest attack in months. At 3 a.m. in Kyiv, satellites spotted Russian troops moving near the border. Soon, dozens of Russian tanks were rolling forward. Big guns started firing in eastern Ukraine. Missiles flew across the sky, hitting power plants and military storage in Kharkiv, Sloviansk, and Zaporizhia. Ukraine activated its air defenses. Some Patriot missiles shot down incoming threats, but others got through, knocking out electricity in parts of the country. President Zelensky ordered full mobilization. Reserve soldiers were called in. Ukraine moved HIMARS rocket systems to better positions. The 92nd Brigade began fighting back near Kupiansk using anti-tank missiles. Their fighter jets bombed Ukrainian positions. Russian mercenaries appeared near Bakhmut, showing Russia wanted to take back lost areas.